Hey guys, so today I wanted to introduce to you a new subscription box that I recently found out about. It is the Sips By, and it is a monthly tea subscription box. So this is the first one that I've received, and I'm really interested to dive in and see what's inside here. So if you guys are curious to see, what's in the May Sips By box and hear a little bit more about this box subscription, then just keep watching. As mentioned, this is a subscription box for tea lovers. You can go in and you can fill out a profile of if you like things that are fruity flavored, if you like things that have caffeine or no caffeine. So it is customizable, which I like because I'm personally trying to cut back on caffeine because it's been making my heart race a lot lately. So I've been trying to go from caffeinated to decaf teas. You can also let them know if you like certain types like matcha, oolong, things like that, which I think is great. So first impression, the box is cute. It has little, I believe they're hearts and then like tea leaves all over the box. Really cute. So let's open it up. Inside it says Sips By, and it has the May teas right here. The little information page, just like a lot of the other subscription boxes have. They give you like the information card with the prices and the brands and information. And it looks like the first thing in here is a little Sips By reusable muslin cloth tea bag, disposable bags inside. So this is really nice if you have loose teas. I have a metal mesh ball tea steeper, but it's a pain because you have to clean all the tea leaves out of it. These are nice because you can put your loose tea inside, you can pull the drawstring, and then you can throw them away when you're done, which is nice because I definitely hate dealing with the mess of the tea leaves all over the sink and all over the strainer. So these are really cute. You get a lot of tea in here. I was thinking like you'd get like one or two of everything. I mean, there's a lot in here. First up, we get looks like you get 4 of this. This is the Traditional Medicinals Relaxation Tea. This is their nighttime tea. It says organic. It says herbal supplement, naturally caffeine-free herbal tea, and it's a wrapped bag. This one says that it is caffeine-free. It's passion flower, chamomile, linden flower, catnip, interesting, hops, strobel spearmint, I like minty ones, lemon verbena, lemon peel, and West Indian lemongrass. So this is going to be like a minty lemon floral tea. It says it has the ability to calm and soothe your nervous system, paired with other relaxing herbs to help you relax and get a good night's sleep. That is awesome. It also gives you steeping instructions. It says steep for 10 minutes because some of them have longer steep times than others. So that's the first one. We get 4 bags of that. Next one is Tea Hee Hee. That's the brand name. That's a really cute name. It is the Dreamer. This is another herbal nighttime blend. This one, oh, you get 2 for $14. The other one didn't have a price tag, but these are 2 for $14. Let's see, ginkgo biloba, gotu kola, rosemary, passion flower, green tea, lemongrass, mugwort, peppermint, and berry. So it's got a little bit of mint in there, which I like. Very low caffeine. It says, a carefully blended herbal tea to help you catch some Z's and maybe even a dream or two. Caffeine levels do not exceed 6%, and it's best to have a cup 30 minutes before sleeping. And this one has a steep time of 5 to 10 minutes. So can't wait to try that. Next one in here, also 4 bags. This one is by the brand Harney & Sons, and this is a Rooibos Chai caffeine-free herbal tea. This one, it says steep for 5 minutes, Rooibos, coriander seed, fennel seed, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, and cardamom flavor. So it's going to be a chai flavor. It says brings together caffeine-free herbs from South Africa with a sweet Indian spice of clove, cardamom, and cinnamon for soul-satisfying cup. So I will enjoy this one. I do love a good chai tea or chai latte. So I have 4 of those to try out. Last tea in here is from David's Tea. My husband actually got me a David's Tea advent calendar last year, so I got a different tea a day, which was so much fun. This is one I don't think I've tried though. This is just peachy. I love peach tea. It says juicy, sweet, and refreshing. Says to steep for 5 minutes and also caffeine free, and I've actually already opened this one today and it's delicious. I've been enjoying it all morning. It is a rainy, cold day here. Let's see, this one This infusion is so peachy, it tastes like it's fresh from the orchard. Enjoy hot or iced, straight up, or with a touch of agave. Really good. Highly recommend this one. Last two things in the box are gift card to Sip Spy and a gift card to brightsellers.com. I don't drink wine, so I'll be gifting that one. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with this box so far. I was expecting to get like a little bit, like 1 or 2 bags of each, and I got 4 of each, plus this nice size loose tea from David's Tea, which I really like. So I think this is a really, really fun box subscription. I will put the link and a discount code for you guys to sign up down below. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in my May Sip Spy box. Stay tuned for more as the months go on. As always, the information is down below. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Happy tea drinking.